In this video, we are going to install Parts AM LED light bar, 6.5 inch. Hey guys, welcome back. My name is Greg, and in this channel I create product reviews, mods, install guides of cool car accessories and gadgets. They are a flood and spot beam combo. It has an IP67 waterproof design. Color temperature is at 3000 K. Great for cutting through thick fog. It has 40 3-watt high-powered LEDs. Uses 120 watts and 12,000 lumens total. Uses a reflector cup which allows multi-angle refraction. Measures at 6.5 inch, 3.1 inches, and 2.6 inches. Made of 6063 aluminum alloy housing with a fin style design for fast heat dissipation. It does include a couple mounting brackets and bolts, a few connectors, and a couple of 15 amp spare fuse, and your 16 gauge wiring harness. This is your ground. We have your relay and your switch with your inline fuse and the positive terminal. And the connectors to your light. And here's the second one. If you're interested in this product, I'm going to leave the product link in the description below. So I purchased these mounting brackets. I'll leave the link in the description below if you're interested. So first I would have to attach the mounting bracket to these brackets. This is how it's done. Then I'm gonna go ahead and attach the light. Just like that. Put 2 bolts right there. Alright, so this is how I got the mounts mounted onto the light. Now we're just gonna go ahead and mount it from underneath. Alright, so that's how it looks mounted. From under there. Next, I'm gonna go ahead and attach the included connectors to the light wires. Right, now that the connection's done, you want to make sure you seal these to avoid any corrosion. So I was lazy to make my own wiring, so I went ahead and bought these wiring harness extensions. Just like that. So I'm gonna plug this all the way to my switch panel. Alright, so I fed the wires through. This is the left light and this is the right light. I went ahead and purchased a splitter, a Y connector. I'm gonna leave the product link in the description below. This is so I can connect both lights and then just plug it into one switch. Alright, so that's how it looks connected. So it doesn't have a covering here, so you want to make sure you cover this up with maybe liquid tape or electrical tape, just so you can avoid corrosion. Now all I have to do is connect this to my switch. Alright, I got all the wiring cleaned up. This is it right here. Plug to my switch. This is how it looks with the headlights. Fog yellow on the bottom. Low beams. If you haven't done so already, please don't forget to subscribe to my channel and I'll bring you more content just like this. Thanks for watching and I'll see you in the next video.